I just picked up 3 of these DeWalt. This is an inflator, and a jump pack, and it's got USBs, and it also has an inverter that's built into it. You can also check your alternator if you want. I got 3 of them for $200, which was a little bit more than I really wanted to spend, but I got carried away. One of the 3 has a little problem, and that is on the plug back here. It isn't there. You try to plug it in, and there's nothing there. So something's broken inside there. So we're going to take it apart to fix that, but also to give you a sense of what is inside of one of these machines. All right, now that we've got this open, we can see what's inside. Here's the battery that's in it. It's a lead acid battery, but it's a 21 amp hour battery. Made in Vietnam. I'm going to see if I can find a comparable one on the internet and see what they cost if you have to replace it. You can kind of gauge this size here. Heavy. One wonders if you were to put a jump pack or 2 lithium ion in here, if that would be preferable. Here's the pretty simple compressor, little motor, it's offset, little piston right here that compresses air through this tube, which goes in there, and eventually, well, I guess it goes right into here. There's this logic, well, I don't know, it's not even, yeah, I guess there's some chips on there, connectors. This is the negative side, positive side. You can see those terminals going out to the alligator clips are bolted directly to this negative bus bar and then to the positive terminal on the battery. There are opportunities, instead of this tiny little, this is the charging cable, and there's only an 800 milliamp charger. You could attach connectors directly onto here, out the back of the case. That would allow you to put a regular battery charger on there if you wanted to be able to charge it up quickly. I may or may not do that. I also may do that in order to directly connect it to one of my winches. Yeah, and this is the thing that was broken. You can see the barrel is cracked, and it used to fit in here and just sort of broke its way out. I'll fix that. You don't need to watch me do that. That should be simple. Under this battery is mostly what I suppose is probably the inverter. So that's what's going on in there. Not a lot else in there. It's pretty simple. I like the end of this inflator because it's a threaded tube, so you can really get a good positive hold on it, which is important sometimes when your stem wants to fall into the rim. So I do like that a lot. Alright, do it. Hey, better stop. Ah, I see what happened. So whoever owned this before, I think it fell out of their truck, thunk, landed on the handle. This battery, which is not secured in any fashion, went thunk, and because you can see broken plastic up here, and in the process it hit this thing, knocked it out too. So yeah, I was just able to clean up those posts a little bit and screw that piece back in there. So we're all good to go. I'm not sure how well the inverter part of this works, but let's give it a try. Oh, yeah. There you go. Had to give it a little push. All right, let's see if it can do a sawzall with no blade in it. Yeah, not bad. I don't know what it would do once I started cutting something, but yeah, I think it'll give you a couple of cuts. Well, all right. I wanted to show you the itty bitty little transformer plug here that comes with it. It's, like I said, it's 14.5 volts and 800 milliamps, and it's not that the battery can't take more than that, but the tiny little wires connecting the plug probably can't, so you're stuck with this really slow charging. Oh no, we have to plow, and Big Green here has a flat tire. Whatever can we do? Alright, I got my air hose screwed on there now. Let's go, I don't know, let's go to 20. Go. Well, that was slick. Nice. Hopefully it won't start now. Notice